So thank you for your coming, and thank you NVK's platform. So we think in the field project, and the Thai 3G license already released in the end of the last year of this. And first, I will give you the brief introduction of the FiberHome. So this picture showing you is our building, the administrator's building, and the production's building. So FiberHome is established in 1974. It's almost the 40 years history. We are the government company. It's a state-owned, belong to the government. And over the headquarters in the central of China, in the Wuhan. So FiberHome covers the three communication areas. The first one is the optical communications, like some the FTTX, the OTNs, and the DWDM system, this kind of product. And second, we focus on the data networking, like the routers, the switch, and something like this. And third one is the Wi-Fi products. So FiberHome's products already deployed in more than 65 countries, including the South Asia, the European countries, the US, and Africa. So our the customer is focused on the carrier level, the operators like this. In China, we focus on the China Mobile, China Telecom, China Unicom, this kind of the operators. And in the global market, we focus on some the TN in Malaysia, and in Thailand, it's CAT, GOT, like this kind of the customers. Lastly, technology. And here is our human resources. So FiberHome in 2012, we have the total staff is already over 18,000. And we also have 100 plus the ITUT experts, and including 15 ITUT vice chairmen. Our department. First is the R&D department. It including is around 34%. Second is the marketing and sales is around 32%. And another is the supply chain is around 25. Number 9 is for the administrators. So FiberHome is a company. It has from the R&D and production to the sales to the customer services. It's a choice total solution. Here showing you is over the sales revenue. And in 2011, we realized the sales revenue around $2,000 million. And we're growing by 30% a year. This is our the workshop in the Wuhan. So FiberHome's head office in Wuhan, the optical village. We have more than 5 manufacturing bases and 12 plants around China. The factory in Wuhan is around 300,000 square meters. So it's the biggest plant in Asia. And this product line is for the DWDM and the OTNs and things like these products. The global sales networks. So FiberHome is a global team. It's already based in all of the world. We have over 12 plus the local office and provide around 1,000 engineering. It's a global. Over 200 project managers to manage the project. And the next is we talking about the PoE switch as a 3G. As we know, so from the 2G, 3G, and the LTE is coming. The development of the technology is running fast. But at present stage, the 3G is the major choice for the operators. So here the research information is showing you the three major operators in China: China Mobile, China Unicom, and China Telecom. The three operators use the different technologies. China Mobile use the TD, ICDMA, and China Unicom use the CDMA 2000. China Telecom use the WCDMAs. And in 2012, in China, the 3G subscribers is already at 180 million. It's a very big customers in China for 3G. And in the three of them, the biggest owner of the 3G subscribers is the China Mobile. This is the biggest. Second is the China Unicom. Last one is China Telecom. In the period of people just use the voice, the message is enough. And now, with the large scale of the smartphone and iPhone, more and more the users would like to use the applications like the videos, the games, the e-business from the smart terminal. So the customers request more and more the bandwidth. They would like to access to the internet in everywhere. But this is a big challenge to the existing the 3G networks. So the operators also to think about how to figure out this problem. The mobile data offloading is a good way. So this means data offloading. It means offload the mobile data from the 3G networks and offload to where? Three choice. It can upload to WLAN, fundamental cells, and CDNs. And for the current people areas, the first choice is the WLAN. WLAN is a good supplement for the 3G networks. Why we say that? In the several years ago, WLAN just a personal network. It's just used in the family, in some the enterprise. So people will move to the place to another, from here to another place. They should change the password again and again. It's not convenient. So the operators give the second chance development for the WLAN. Operators deploy the WLAN in the metro areas, like some the commercial centers, the business lobbies, the colleges, and some the public areas. So people can use the WLAN in this kind of the publics. They don't need to change the password again and again. Just the operators give him the password. It's always can use this. So the city with the WLAN is deployed in the around of the city. The city also became a Wi-Fi city. People can access to the internet everywhere. Here is the China Mobile, the house supports. When the people see the Wi-Fi logo, they will be known. This area is the China Mobile's the Wi-Fi house ports. You can use here. And the WLAN can give the operators another new revenues. So it's new services for customers. It's a revenue. And second, it can share the compressors from the 3G networks. So the 3G network is a value. In the WLAN solutions, it has the access point and the PoE switch. So the access point is usually deployed on the roof or some outdoors. In this place, it's a nowhere to get the power. It's not easy because the building already set up here. So how to go? PoE switch gives this good ways. PoE switch can provide the data and same times provide the powers based on the Ethernet cable, the Cat5 cable. So use this way. Access point no need power again. We use PoE is enough. So before the PoE switch coming, there had always this normal switch plus some injectors. So this way also can provide power, but there has a problem. The more devices for the operators, the more trouble point. So there has so many injectors feeders with no standards, so it maybe have some safe problems. So PoE switch is compliant with IEEE standards, so it's a safety. Both on the anti-lightings, the injector can do this, but switch provides anti-lighting functions. When the raining, there has lighting, tenders, switch will be broken. So when this over the FiberHome switch, it has anti-detection protection to prepare the switch. It's not easy to work in the raining days. I know in Thailand, it's several seasons, it's rain seasons, so this function is very important in Southeast Asia. Here's some comparisons compared with the PoE and the injectors. And the next is some of the real cases we're doing in the Southeast Asia. First one is Indosat. So Indosat, this operators is local Indonesia, the biggest Indonesia the mobile operators. So in 2012, FiberHome provides the switch for him in this 3G offload project. So in this project, FiberHome provides over 2,000 plus switch in this project. This is the real topology in the Jakarta. So FiberHome provides an 8-port PoE switch. It provides power to the IP camera, the access point, and some IP phone. And these solutions, some of the vendors can provide the high power devices. So PoE switch has two standards. And the first one is provides a low level the output. It's for the IEEE 3AF. This standards is provides output is only 15 watts. For some small the camera is under 15 it can be used. But now it's more and more like IP camera and the access point. The output is over 15. It's almost 30. So need a high level standards IEEE 380. 380 provides 30 watt for the terminals. So FiberHome support two standards. So we win this project because over the only can support the low level. And this project is in China Mobile. Qingdao branch company. So FiberHome Channel Mobile just doing the city around the areas to project WLAN coverage project. So Channel Mobile has so many requirements. They would like to doing the services funding and the rate limited, and some of their two functions to doing the services better. So FiberHome, this is the topology in the Qingdao. So this topology, FiberHome switch deployed in the access layer to aggregation the AP access points. And the aggregation layer, we use the layer 3 is a NAT switch to aggregation the PoE switch. And the requirements from the channel mobile, they would like to do in the QoS. So QoS, this means provide different services to different customers, because maybe channel mobile has some key accounts, very important. So these services can't be broken. So QoS, these functions can do it. That is the first level. So being there has in the block, in the networks, so the first level services can go on. So we can do this to separate the customers to provide the best services for the channel mobile. And this solution is a process. And here, you want to also would like to use a PoE. So how to do this? So this solutions is use the POM plus the WLAN. You can see this layer aggregation is OLT plus ONU. This is the POM solutions. Maybe GPOM, EPOM is the operator's choice. And then PoE switch can put in the end the ONU. ONU has Ethernet outside, so our can do it the uplink. So we build these solutions in Hunan province. We provide the services for some of the college, some of the students in the students department in the college. And here showing you is our the total only PoE switch product in here. So because today the topic is focused on PoE. So FiberHome also is another switch not showing here. We're doing all of layer 3 and layer 2 and the core router switch. And here is showing you in the PoE switch family. From the layer 2, 8 ports, 16 ports, and 24 fast Ethernet. This layer is a layer 2, and the uplink we provide to combo T uplink. Secondly, for the layer 2, 4GE switch here. So we provide the 24 GE for the outside, and 24 GE for outside, and 4 GE for the uplinks. Uplinks is a combo T. This one. And the first one, the last one, is the layer 3. This is the GE plus 10G. This uplink is a 10G switch. It can provide the 24 GE plus 4 10G. And this level is for the aggregations and also has the PoE functions in here. About the certificates, the FiberHome is doing the metro, the carrier so many years. So we're doing so many the certificates already, the map. So FiberHome also the members of the MEF folio. So we have for the map 9 and the map 14 certificates and reports, CE, even IPv6. So this global colors. So this second enhance IPv6 this certificate. For the GUI, the management, FiberHome has over the user interface for the management, and this is for the services management interface. This for the topologies and for the user's choice to connect the topologies. This one is for the log management. And this for the equipment, so you can see the equipment, the interface, and the element management. So except this GUI management, FiberHome switch also supports the web, the telnet, COI, and the SMMP, the management, the reachable management ways. And here showing you is some of the mainstream vendors product showing here. We can see FiberHome compare with Cisco, HP, and Micronite, and this kind of the PoE vendors, and some of the same levels of product types is showing here. So FiberHome, the product positions, we're doing two kinds of customers. First one is a services provider, is operators like this. Second is for the business, for some enterprise. So the most customers is FiberHome both side. And here is some of the features of the FiberHome switch. So the important is for the 380 standards, the 30 watt. So it's not so many vendors doing this. And another is the Mac address tables with doing better, and operations, temperatures, and storage, and anti-lighting functions doing good. Okay, this is almost the FiberHome switch. So hope to we are doing the better and doing the win-win operations.